Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sultan Ahmed Khan, and today I just like to talk about why reading is important in our life and what are the different benefits of reading books. Okay, there is not one thing that I can say that after reading books, after making it my habit, it can give me one thing. No, there are numerous things which this reading habit can provide you. So, what are these benefits? What are these advantages? Today, we are going to talk about it. The first thing is knowledge. When you read books, you gain a lot of knowledge. With this habit, you broaden your knowledge. So, when you read, you come across with different idiomatic expressions, vocabulary, lexes. So, reading is very good to enhance your knowledge because if a person is writing any book, he is writing it after a considerable time. He has experienced something in his life, and after spending his whole life, he is telling you just of his knowledge. He is sharing with you the extract of what he has gained in his life so far. So, how can it help you? It can help you like you don't need to spend time in thinking about it, that how this specific thing I can achieve. For example, if a person doesn't know how to give up a bad habit, so there are people who have done it in their lives, they have experienced it, and they know what are the different steps you need to take in order to give up any bad habit. So if a person is writing these instructions, it is very much beneficial for us. Just acting upon those instructions and those guidelines, we can also achieve the same result. So this is the first benefit of reading book. Now the second one is you can also improve your imagination power by reading books. When you read, what you do, you are actually visualizing all that thing which you are reading in words. So if you are reading, you are actually improving imagination power. So this is the second benefit of reading. Now the third benefit of reading book is that reading book can actually increase your focus and concentration. There are so many researches which have proved it that reading habit can improve your concentration and focus. And it is literally very much important to do anything in your life. Focus, attention, concentration are very indispensable. Without it, you cannot learn. Without it, you cannot do your work. Without it, you can do nothing. Now, the third benefit is when you keep reading and you make reading your habit, you gain a lot of vocabulary, you gain a lot of knowledge, and this vocabulary and this knowledge will actually help you in whatever you are doing right now. For example, you are doing masters, you are preparing for any exam. So this is very important and this is very imperative for a student. It will definitely help you in reading your academic books as well. And the last benefit is the same, English. You can improve your spoken English by reading books. And all these things are interlinked. They all are connected. When you are reading books, you are exposed to various vocabulary, different vocabulary, idiomatic expressions. You know how to construct the sentences, you know how to apply that particular vocabulary in the sentences, and you can make variety of sentences. You have heaps of vocabulary, so you can beautify your spoken English, you can embellish your spoken English, you can have alternative vocabulary. You will not have to think about vocabulary while speaking. Your mind will be full of different words which you can use in your spoken language. So I personally recommend you all to read books, and this is a very precious time and we can make the most of this time by engaging in reading. Now for the starters, I am telling you one book The name of the book is Notes from a Friend. It was written by Tony Robbins, and I am just sharing with you the link of this book, and I am giving you how can you download this book from a website free of cost. So I recommend you to read this book. In the beginning, it will be a Herculean task for you. You will find it very difficult to read because the vocabulary will be bouncing over your head. It is beyond your comprehension, but believe me, if you make it your habit, it will be easier for you to read in the upcoming days. Even I was not an ardent reader, but I just developed this habit with the passage of time. So you need to do the same. In the beginning, you can take baby steps. Just read one page in one day. You don't need to complete the book cover to cover in the same day. You can take your time. If you don't feel like reading it, just put it aside. You don't have to force yourself to read. If you are not able to understand it, just try to read it twice. Sometimes it happens when we read, we cannot understand it. So you need to read it again, and it is one of the strategy of comprehension. There is a separate book as well in which you will come to know the strategies of comprehension. How can you comprehend, how can you understand the book while reading. So I will definitely discuss with you that particular book some other time. Till then, Assalamu alaikum and Allah Hafiz.